Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuian, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take work and life class for the students of class 7. Look dear students, here our today's topic is we are going to discuss about assignment 2. Okay, and this is our lecture number 3. So dear students, please follow the board. Okay, look dear students, here is our assignment. And here our topic is from chapter 1 work and humanity, and lesson number of and topics are what? Lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3 and 4, lesson 5 and 6, lesson 7 and 8, lesson 9, lesson 10, lesson 11 and 12, 13, 14 to 16, 17. Okay, all of these lessons you have to learn properly. Okay, you have to make these questions answer, you have to learn these chapters. Okay, look dear students, here assignment or assigned task. Make a work plan on how you can build up yourself as a self-respecting and confident person. Okay, so you have to make this work plan. Look dear students, here instructions. Choose someone from your family or relatives who is known in the society as a self-respecting person. Okay, gather information on how he is building up himself to be a confident in the society, maintaining health protection policies. Take help from lesson 10 to 16 of the first chapter of class 7. Okay, then look assessment criteria. Here excellent, you will get excellent if you identifying the difference between confident and less confident people. Then number 2, having clear idea about self-respecting people. Then number 3, the concept of self-respect, information etc. to be consistent with the textbook. Then number 4, noticeable individuality and creativity in drawing and writing. Number 5, accuracy in proper words, sentence and making and spelling. And look here, then number 6, submission of the assignment in the schedule 10. So number 5, what? Accuracy in proper word, sentence making and spelling. And number 6, submission of the assignment in the schedule 10. Okay, if you maintain all of these rules, then you will get excellent. Okay, now please you can follow, of course you have to follow your book. Look, in lesson 14 to 16, here you will get more information about self-confident. Okay, let's become self-confident. To be self-confident, we have to know the difference between the self-confident and the less self-confident. Okay, then we will understand which group we belong to. If we become self-confident, we can do some good things for our society and for the country by using self-confidence. Again, if we belong to the group who are less confident, we shall have to try to become self-confident society, that we can do good things for our country. Okay, look dear students, we shall have to try to become self-confident so that we can do good things for our country. Let's try to understand the difference between the self-confident people and people with less self-confidence. Here you will get a difference. Okay, by using here this information, you have to make this work plan. Okay dear students, look here, self-confident people, these people are not influenced by what other people say. They rather understand, think and then take decision or take action. Then look, they are always prepared to take part in new activities, and if they get the opportunity, they start doing the work. They confess if they make any mistake and learn from it. They don't fear to accept any changes, rather take part if it is convenient. Then look, they respect other people's opinion, behave politely with everybody. Then look, they don't fear to take risks, rather go ahead carefully on the path of risk. Then look here, as there is no end of good deeds, so they try to do more good works. Okay, here I have given here some information from about self-confident people. Look here, people with less confidence. What they? These people believe everything what other people say. They never verify the truth or false. They do not think at all. Look here, they fear to do anything new, also fear to take part in new activity. They fear to confess their mistakes, always try to conceal the mistakes they make. Then look, they fear to accept any changes. They don't want to listen to others, nor do they respect others' opinion. In fact, they fear to listen to them. Then look here, they fear to take risks about works, those are hazardous. Okay, then look, they have a tendency to keep works pending. Okay, so dear students, here I have given some ideas about the people, those who are self-confident and the people with less confidence. So when you are going to make this work plan, at that time you can write this answer like this way: human being is the best of all creations. Thus human being has a feeling of strong self-respect. Okay, Those who are men of self-respect don't want to be hated by others. They don't want to be ashamed in the society. So they never do any unlawful deed and avoid misdeeds. Okay? Then you can write self-confidence means confidence and reliance on one's own knowledge, ability to work or working skills. Those who are aware of their working ability or working skills and who have full confidence and believe in themselves are indeed self-confident. Okay, like this way you can write, you can introduce its first lines. Okay, you can write its introductory stem, you can write like this way. Okay, then look dear students, then you can write below is an action plan or work plan for how I will develop myself as a self-respecting and self-confident person. Okay, here you can give some points about this questions information. Okay, look here, you can write number 1, you can write a man of self-respect never takes away a thing of others without informing him. I shall never take away others' things without their permission. Okay, then you can write, dear students, then you can write number 2, a man of self-respect always respects others. I shall always respect others. Okay, then you can write a man with self-respect never quarrels with anybody nor involves in fighting. I shall never quarrel with others. Then number 4, you can write a man of self-respect never earns by any unlawful deeds. If he sees anybody earning through misdeeds, he tries to stop him gently. So I shall never earn by unlawful deeds. Okay, then as number 5, you can write a man of self-respect never tells a lie. So I shall never tell a lie. So dear students, like this way you can write about 10 points. Okay, at least 10 points you can write to make this work plan. Okay, so how can you build up yourself as a self-respecting and confident person in the society? Like this way you have to write some characteristics about this information. Okay, about this questions information. So like this way you have to make this assignment. And of course dear students, you have to submit this assignment on next Wednesday. Okay, in our next week. Okay, you can submit it in next week. On next Wednesday you can submit this assignment. Okay, so dear students, see you again in our next class. Allah Hafiz.